Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable floating bubbles in your Oppo tab. When a notification or message from WhatsApp or any other comes, it shows on your home screen like a bubble. You can see if you it is there, and you can float it anywhere on your home screen. How you can enable it? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option and then swipe down. You can see there is a notification and status bar option. Click on that option and then there is a more setting option. Click on it and you can see there is a bubbles option. You have to just simply click on it, and whenever your notification or messages come from any app, it shows on your here. And when you just click on that particular, it shows on your like bubble, and when you just click on it, it shows on a small screen like here it is. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.